Imagine a planet so similar to Earth that it could have lakes, mountains, and even forests. A place where alien life, if it exists, might look out over the same types of landscapes we see here. This isn't science fiction, it's a tantalizing possibility with the discovery of Kepler 452b, one of the most Earth-like exoplanets we've ever found. But could this super-Earth truly harbor life? And if so, what would it look like? Kepler 452b was discovered in 2015 by NASA's Kepler Space Telescope. It orbits a star similar to our Sun, located about 1,400 light-years away in the constellation Cygnus. Roughly 60% larger than Earth, Kepler 452b falls under the category of super-Earths. This means it's bigger than Earth, but smaller than gas giants like Neptune, with the potential to have a rocky surface and perhaps water. But what makes it truly intriguing is its orbit. Kepler 452b sits in the Goldilocks zone, where temperatures could allow liquid water to exist on its surface. Kepler 452b's position in the habitable zone means it's within the right distance from its star to potentially have liquid water, an essential ingredient for life as we know it. But could life thrive there? Given its size, Kepler 452b likely has a stronger gravitational pull than Earth, meaning any organisms on its surface would have to adapt to greater forces. If it has an atmosphere, it might protect against radiation and support weather systems that could nurture oceans or rivers. If life does exist on Kepler 452b, it might look very different from what we're used to. Higher gravity could mean shorter, sturdier organisms adapted to withstand stronger forces. Trees, if they exist, might be shorter and more dense. Imagine creatures with thicker limbs, lower centers of gravity, and strong musculature. But beyond physical adaptations, life here would have to survive in conditions that are still a mystery to us. Despite Kepler 452b being 1,400 light-years away, we've been able to learn a lot about it through indirect observation. By analyzing the light from its star, scientists can detect changes that reveal the planet's size, orbit, and even hints about its atmosphere. Although direct imaging isn't possible yet, future telescopes like the powerful James Webb Space Telescope might one day allow us to capture details of exoplanets like Kepler 452b in ways we can only imagine. Kepler 452b isn't just another distant rock in space. It represents a larger question humanity has always asked. Are we alone? The discovery of a super-Earth orbiting a sun-like star brings us one step closer to answering that question. If we find signs of life, or even just a planet with conditions similar to Earth, it could mean life is more common in the universe than we thought. This revelation would challenge us to reconsider our role, our values, and our ambitions as a species. Kepler 452b is a beacon of hope in our search for life beyond Earth, but it's also a reminder of how much more we have to discover. As we look to the stars, we're continually pushing the boundaries of science, technology, and imagination. Who knows, perhaps in the next decade, we'll find even more Earth-like planets, maybe even one a little closer to home. Until then, the journey to uncover life beyond Earth continues.